again. Scrolling through the past like it's gonna mend. Every little word that we never said, now it's in my head.
Playing on repeat.
Try to move on,
but it don't feel right. Every conversation turned into a fight. We were both wrong, but we both held tight to the pain inside. We refused to see. I was wide awake, but I played it cool, acting like I never cared about you. But silence is different in an empty room. Now I'm missing you more than I should.
Every message tight, but I never sent. Every late night filled with regret.
I was scared of love, didn't know it yet. Now I'm stuck with it and your memory. We were so close, but so out of phase. Lost in emotions we couldn't name. Two broken hearts in a timing game. Now nothing feels the same. 3 a.m. clarity, truth in the dark. All of the feelings we kept apart. Now it's too late, but I see it clear. You were the one, I just wasn't there. 3 a.m. clarity, cutting so deep. All of the promises that we couldn't keep. Now I'm alone with the truth I fear. You were the one, I lost you.
I remember nights in your passenger seat, talking about life like it's bittersweet. Now I drive alone through the same old streets and it's haunting me.
Every memory I try to replace what we used to have, but every face just reminds me back of the love we built, then we let it crack. Now I'm stuck in that same old story.
I still hear your voice in the quiet nights. Every I'm fine was another lie. We were holding on, but we lost the fight. Now there's no rewind, just reality.
I see your name and I freeze inside. Should I run away or just hit reply? But I know the truth and I can't deny. We're just memories we can't revive.
If I call now, would you pick it up?
Ooh, just let it ring like we gave up.
If you said come back, would I be enough?
Or just another phase we messed up.
We were almost everything.
Now it's just a what if. 3 a.m. clarity, truth in the dark. All of the feelings that tore us apart. Now it's too late, but I see it clear. You were the one, I lost you here. 3 a.m. clarity, out of my mind. Echoes of love that we left behind. Now I'm alone with the truth I fear. You were the one. Side of the car
Still feels the same. Even your perfume won't fade away. I drive past places we used to stay. Now it's just me and your memory.
windows down, but I still can't breathe. Every song brings you back to me. I changed the station, but I still see everything we used to
drives with no destination.
Now it's silence and hesitation.
I was your peace, you were my escape. Then now we're just separation. We were moving fast, didn't see the signs. Now we're just two souls out of time. Empty passenger seat, but I still feel your heartbeat. Every road leads back to you. No matter what I do. Empty passenger seat got me driving through our history. Every mile just proves it's true. I never got a ooh. I remember laughing and nothing at all. Now I barely answer when people call. Got your name saved, but I won't press call, even though I want to. Gas tank low, but I keep on driving. Running from truth, but it keeps arriving. Every turn feels like surviving. Without you beside me,
I still check my phone, like you might appear, like somehow you say I'm still here. But reality's loud and painfully clear. We're not what we were. I try to move on, I really did. But love like yours don't just disappear. Now every road just feels so weird without you near.
should I turn around?
Or just let you go now.
If love's really gone,
Why does it feel so strong? I still talk to you like you're here.
oh,
I still feel you everywhere. Empty passenger seat, but I still feel your heartbeat. Every road leads back to you. No matter what I do. Empty passenger seat got me driving through our history. Every mile just proves it's true. I never got a ooh. Saving your spot. Saving your spot.
and that is finally over. I stayed a watching the sky turn gold. Didn't think I'd make it through the cold. Every tear felt like a story told.
Now I'm letting go.
Shadows fading with the rising sun. All the battles that I thought I lost turned into lessons I overcame.
Now I'm not the same. No more running from what I feel. No more hiding what's actually real. Every scar is starting to heal. I'm breathing in again.
All the nights that I thought were the end were just moments I had to transcend. Now I see it, I understand. I'm becoming who I am. We went through fire, through the pain, but we came out stronger than yesterday.
First light feels different now. No more lost, no more down.
Through the pain
I needed someone else, just to feel like I was worth something. Now I stand here by myself and I feel everything.
I was chasing things I didn't need, trying to be what they wanted me to be. Now I'm finally feeling free.
Just be me.
After every storm comes light, after every fall we ride. They were broken, now we're wise. Now we see through different eyes. I forgive myself.
I forgive myself.
It's different now. No more loss, no more down.
Through the pain I found my way.
I'm not the same today.
See the sun. It's quiet now. Too quiet.
We said too much in the heat of the storm. Words like lightning, hearts getting torn. Now the echoes linger in every wall, but you're not here at all.
I hear the rain, but it's slowing down. No more screaming, no more sound. Just the weight of what we've done and what we've now become.
I let my anger take control. Didn't see I was losing you slow. Now I'm standing in the afterglow of something beautiful.
Broken pieces on the floor of a love we can't restore. Silence louder than before, and I can't ignore.
We were fire, we were pain. Now we're standing in the rain.
Silence after thunder feels like going under.
All the noise is gone,
But I'm not moving on. Silence after thunder makes me start to wonder
if we lost it all or never had it at all. I walk the streets where we used to go. Every corner tells me so. That love don't fade, it just moves slow into the unknown.
I hear your voice in empty space. Try to run but I can't escape. Every memory leaves a trace I can't erase.
If we could rewind the storm,
Would we still be torn? Silence after thunder feels like going under.
all the noise is gone, but I'm not moving on.
Silence after thunder makes me start to wonder
If we lost it all,
still tearing me apart.
I miss the noise.
I miss the noise.
We said we wouldn't do this again, but here we are.
Midnight,
City rain wrecks. It always starts with I miss you and turns into I did you. Same conversation, different night. Same broken truth we try to fight.
you say you're done, I say it too, but neither one of us breaks through. We play this game like deja vu, just to feel something new.
I see your name, my heart reacts, even after all the fakes. We built something and we cracked. Now we're stuck inside the past.
I know your patterns, every move, the way you lie, the way you prove that even when you try to leave, you circle back to me.
We say goodbye, then we rewind, like we're addicted to goodbye. Midnight damage, hearts collide, crossing every line we hide. Say this is over
Every time,
then call again at 12:09.
midnight damage, no control. We keep feeding what we broke. Every scar we never show still connects us, don't let go.
You said I changed, maybe I did, but so did everything we built. We used to dream, now we just drift through something we can't fix.
I try to find someone like you, but no one fits the way you do.
And that's the part I hate the most. I can't replace your goal.
You were never really mine, just a habit I defined, like a drug I couldn't quit, even knowing it's a risk. We don't love, we just depend on the chaos that we send through each other's broken ends, calling it again.
If I stay, we fall apart.
If I leave, I break my heart.
So we stand here in the dark,
choosing pain instead of stars.
don't call me,
Call me,
let me go.
hold me.
Don't call me.
Midnight damage, wake the flame, burning in a losing game. Every time we feel the same,
But we still don't walk away.
midnight damage, say my name, even if it ends in pain.
We're the ones we can't escape. We're the ones we couldn't say.
We're not love,
We're just midnight damage.
we're just midnight damage. Heavy drop.
Yeah.
Heavy drop.
Sounds like you.
City rain wrecks.
Walking through the rain alone, but it don't feel like I'm on my own.
Every street, every tone,
Carries pieces of what we were.
your laughter in the pouring sky, your voice in every passing car.
I try to run, I try to hide,
But you never fall.
I hear you when the thunder cracks, like the past keeps calling back. Every second we once had, now
Just fades to black, but somehow you still remain in every drop, in every pain, like a song I can't erase, playing in the rain.
we try to let go.
But we never did.
We try to forget,
But we still exist.
echoes in the rain,
Calling out your name.
every drop of
Pain feels the same.
echoes in the rain.
Driving me insane.
dancing in the storm. Back when everything felt warm. Now I'm standing in the same place, but it's not the same. We were fearless, we were free. Now you're just a memory, but somehow you still live inside of me. I try to wash you off my skin, let the rain just take it in. But no matter where I've been, you're still within. Every step I take alone feels like walking through a ghost of a love that once was home.
Now I'm just a host. If love disappears, why do we remain if you're really gone? Why do I feel the same? Say my name one more time. Say my name one more time. Say my name.
Say my name
one more time.
one more time.
Say my name.
Through the rain,
I'll be fine. Echoes in the rain,
washing through my
veins.
every drop
remains calling your name. Echoes in the rain.
we could never
We
change.
could never change.
Even through the pain,
We stay the same.
you're the echo
You're the echo.
I can't escape. Here's a shot. I'm just for you. City rain rich. Neon lights on your skin, late night glow. City moving fast, but we moving slow. Used to feel alive in the after hours. Now we barely speak in the same room.
We were golden in a broken place, making love just to fill the space. Every look had a different weight. Now I don't recognize your face.
We were fire in the midnight air. Now it's smoking, it's everywhere. Every promise just disappeared,
Like we never cared.
I still see us in every light, in reflections passing by. But the truth hits every night. We were living a lie. We were bright but burning fast. Didn't know it wouldn't last.
Broken neon lights, flickering our lives. We were burning bright, now we lost the light.
Broken neon lights,
Love fades overnight.
in the city glow.
We let each other go.
I still pass by where we used to be. Same bar, same energy. But it's empty now without you next to me. Just strangers and memories. I try to drown it in the nightlife. Different faces, same vibe, but nothing hits like your eyes. And I hate that.
You were chaos, I called home. Now I'm better off alone, but I still pick up my phone and I don't. We built something out of sparks. Now I'm walking through the dark, trying to heal what we broke apart from the start. We were art in the night, now we're scars in the light. Say, go.
Don't
Broken neon light,
fading out of sight.
we were something real.
Now we're just the night.
We don't glow anymore. We don't glow anymore. We don't glow anymore.
We used to shine.
We feel like morning. City rain wrecks.
Cold coffee sitting by the bed. Same place you used to lay your head. Sunlight creeping through the edge, but it don't feel warm.
I woke up reaching for your side, but reality hit me twice. You're not here and I can't lie.
It still feels wrong. I walked out before the sunrise came. Didn't wanna face what we became. Now I'm stuck with the blame and your name in my brain. Try to act like I don't care, but your presence still lingers there. In the silence, in the air, you're everywhere.
We had time, but we let it slip. Now I'm drowning in what we miss. Cold coffee and regrets, things we never said, running through my head every morning. Cold coffee and your ghost, you're the one I miss the most. Even when I try to let you go, you're still close.
I replay every little fight, every wrong, every right, tryna find where we died, but I can't decide. Was it something we didn't say, or the love that slowly changed? Now I'm stuck in yesterday, while you moved away. I see you in the smallest things, in the songs that the radio brings. Every lyric hits too deep, now it's haunting me. I could call, but what's the point? We both broke what we once joined. Now I'm living with the noise of your voice.
We had love, we had time, we just didn't